MTSCO is a one-stop factory complex supplying industrial pipeline products. Control line is one of our most competitive products, manufactured at our wholly owned factory, Siri Tubing. We offer welded coil tubing, capillary tubes, control line tubing, multicore tubing, and cables. Our materials include austenitic, duplex, and nickel alloy. Why choose Siri Tubing? First, Siri control line can be up to 50,000 FTS per coil. 2. It can withstand a maximum hydraulic pressure of 100 megapascals, significantly higher than the standard test pressure of 7 megapascals for seamless tubing. 3. We provide a wide range of encapsulated plastic materials tailored to your project needs. 4. Siri control line have obtained ISO certificate. Our 3-stage quality control process ensures product reliability. 1. Raw material from well-known manufacturers, double inspection before and after entering the factory including MTC and PMI. 2. Each production batch is managed with a dedicated process card. Experienced engineers and quality control teams supervise every step and document the process with photos for full traceability. 3. Before shipment, every control line product is subjected to complete testing. This includes 100% high-pressure testing. We also support third-party inspection services, such as SGS, TUV, and BV. The complete in-house laboratory system provides Siri Tubing with solid quality assurance from material analysis to performance verification. Each coiled tubing undergoes rigorous testing at the back, giving customers more confidence in every delivery. MTSCO control lines have been successfully applied in global projects and is a stable supplier for OXY, KOC, ADNOC, IRPC, etc. For 20 years, MTSCO has been providing control line customized services to international oil and gas, geothermal, shipbuilding, heat exchanger industries, helping customers to reduce field operation costs. MTSCO and Siri Tubing, your oilfield service solutions partner.